Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working. The first step is cleaning the side key. Because of the fingerprint is mounted on the power key, side key, you need to clean it with the soft cloth. It doesn't have to be a microfiber one, it just has to be a soft one and dry. Avoid harsh liquids or damp towels. Apart from that, if it doesn't work still, you need to remove any protective cases for a moment. Heavy cases or thick hinge guard bumpers often block your finger pad from resting flush against the narrow side key. Take off the case to temporarily test if it improves. If it doesn't want to be improved, you need to go even deeper. Open the settings. Here now you need to go straight to the security and privacy. Here now you need to head to the screen log and biometrics, draw your current pattern or enter the password. Here you need to tap fingerprints and register your fingerprint back again. Now you need to do the circular movement on the side key. Now I've got it done, and let's see if it works. It does. If it doesn't work for you after registering it, you need to contact device support to have it fixed, because most likely your fingerprint sensor is broken. Bye!